Hello, good day everyone. I'm Leslie Ann Marquez from CS324 Real-time face mask detection. So, real-time face mask detection is gagamit kami ng computer cameras para ma-detect kung tama ba ang pagsuot mo ng face mask. Kasi ang tamang pagsuot ng face mask is nako-cover ang nose and mouth. So, pag hindi na-coveran ang nose and mouth is hindi ka naka-wear ng tamang face mask. So, ma-detect ng computer cameras namin kung hindi ka nakasuot ng tamang face mask. So, alam naman natin na ang face mask is mahalaga ngayong kasagsagan ng COVID-19. So, artificial intelligence involves image and video-based detection algorithms that can accurately detect an object and determine whether the human is wearing or not wearing a face mask. Face mask identification can be done with diverse datasets utilize deep learning and machine learning approaches such as support vector machines and decision trees. The main purpose of this is to develop a face mask detection model. This model would help regulators identify violators and ensure public health proactivity. So, sabi ko nga kanina, napakahalaga ng face mask ngayon dahil sa virus na kumakalat na COVID-19. Kaya dapat mag-wear tayo ng face mask in public or in a private place. So, para maprotektahan tayo kontra sa virus. Then, this detects a person if she wearing a face mask or not. It also detect whether a person covers his her nose and mouth with a face mask. This system uses the computer's camera to detect the face and also gives the percentage of which match the mask covers the face by a green color box around the face. It also gives the percentage of how much the face mask is not wearing with a red color box around the face. If the color around the face is green, she is wearing the face mask, a mask. Or if the color around the face is red, she is not wearing the mask. So, pag na-detect ka ng computer cameras na hindi ka naka-wear ng mask is magkakaroon ka ng red box in around your face. Pag na-detect ka ng computer cameras na naka-wear ka ng tamang pagsuot ng mask is green boxes sa palibot ng iyong muka. So, alam naman natin kung paano mag-wear ng mask. So, nakakoberan ang nose hanggang sa mouth. So, this is the example. So, pag na-detect ka ng computer is ganito ang mangyayari sa'yo. Pag hindi ka naka-wear ng mask is ma-detect ka ng red color box. Then, pag naka-wear ka ng mask ng tama is madidetect ka ng ganito. Green box with 99% na naka-wear ka ng mask. In order to protect ourselves from the COVID-19 pandemic, almost every one of us tend to wear a mask. It becomes increasingly necessary to check if the people in crowded wear masks in most public gatherings such as small theaters, parks, and public markets. So, dapat kahit nasaan ka is naka-wear ka ng face mask, lalo na sa maraming tao para iwas virus. Then, the development of a solution to detect if the person is wearing a mask and allows their entry would be great help to the society. This model can also be used to develop a full-fledged software to scan every person before they can enter the public gatherings. So, napaka-important talaga napaka-importante ng pagsuot ng face mask. Dahil sa pagpunta mo sa mga public place is dapat naka-wear ka ng mask dahil lalong-lalo pag nasa alert level tayo kasi ido-double face mask pa nila para iwas talaga tayo sa virus kahit naka-vaccine ka. And that's all. Thank you and God bless.
Good day. To continue, my name is SamanthaFaye A. Mangusin. Objectives: 1. To enforce the mandate for wearing masks in public places following the COVID-19 pandemic. 2. Effectively provide a working model for accurate mask detection. 3, to utilize image processing approach to identify the presence of a mass on a face. 4 is to develop an efficient computer vision based system focused on a real-time automated monitoring for the people to detect face masks in public places. So basically, face mask detection is super important sa atin. Napaka-importante at napakainam gamitin lalo na sa panahon ngayon dahil hindi pa natatapos ang pandemic. So, creating this real-time face mask detection will help us to secure our lives. Sabi nga nila, health is a wealth. Next, face mask detection had seen significant progress in the domain of image processing and computer vision since the rise of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many face detection models have been creating using several algorithms and techniques. So, napakahalaga-talaga na gumamit din tayo lalo na sa public places. This model can be used for safety purposes since it is very resources efficient to deploy. Face mask detection has been turned up to be an astonishing problem in the domain of image processing and the computer vision. Face mask detection has various uses cases ranging from face recognition to capturing facial motions, where the latter calls for the face to be revealed with very high precision due to rapid advance in the domain of machines.
So I'm Xylene our Maniibog. So our proposed final project is real-time face mask detection. So let's proceed. Face detection. Face detection and recognition are frequently used interchangeably. However, they are not the same thing. Face detection is actually a subset of face recognition. Face recognition is a technique for recognizing or validating an individual's identification by looking at their face. Face recognition algorithms came in a variety of forms, but their accuracy varies. An effective and efficient computer vision strategy intends to develop a real-time application that monitors individuals publicly, whether they are wearing face masks or not. The first stage to identify the existence of a mask on the face is identifying the face. This divides the whole procedure into two parts: face detection and mask detection on the face. Computer vision and image processing have an extraordinary impact on the detection of the face mask. Face detection has a range of case applications from face recognition to facial movements, whether the latter is required to show the face with extremely high accuracy. As machine learning algorithms process rapidly the threats posed by face mask detection technology still seem effectively handled. This innovation is becoming increasingly important as it is used to. So this divides the whole procedure into two parts: the face detection and mask detection on the face. So face detection or recognition or facial recognition is also one of biometric recognition technologies based on processing information of facial features, mainly used to detect and track face, then process each face's image in still image, and it is captured by webcams or cameras and identify user's identity. It is accurately locate the key feature points on the face. In the picture, the key points such as the eyes, the nose, mouth, and etc. It is used to determine the face posture and face alignment. So let's go to ano face mask detection. So the face mask detection on the face, we all know that masks are becoming trendy these days. Masks are one of the few ways to protect against the coronavirus, or also known as the COVID-19. This is to ensure human safety. So all governments are attempting to guarantee that face masks are worn in public places. But It is difficult to manually identify those who are not wearing face masks in crowded places. So real-time face mask detection is a great help to identify people who is wearing a mask or not wearing a mask. So that's all. Thank you.
Let's continue. Good day, sir. I'm Malvar from BSDS3ABA. Real-time face detection. In this article, we'll learn how to use Python to recognize face in real time. We will, we will save the frame containing the face whenever detected in this webcam stream. We will next pass this frame picture to our mask detection classifier to determine whether or not the subject is wearing a mask. The purpose of face detection is to see if the image or video containing any face, if there are numerous faces. Each one is surrounded by a bounding box, so we can know where they are. Face Face are challenging to represent because there are so many variables that can alter, such as facial expression, direction, lighting conditions, and partial occlusion, like sunglasses, scarves, and masks. Their face location parameters are obtained as a result of the detection and can take many forms, such as a rectangle covering the center part of the face, eye centers, or landmarks such as eye, nose, and mouth corners, eyebrows, nostrils, and so on. What is real-time face detection? Real-time face detection is as around for decades. However, in recent years, it has seen more widely spread adoption because artificial intelligence advanced learning system to come closer teaching potential real-time face detection. It had led to higher accuracy and faster processing time. Ayon sa gobyerno at mga private, they notice na mas makukuha pa ng ang mas malaking rate, ganun ang real-time face detection. Kasi hindi lamang ito sa safety and privacy, kundi they starting appear in retail and transportation. Thank you po.
Good day, sir. I am Jearbonas Lex Pedro, and today I'm going to show the real-time face mask detection OpenCV Python. So first, let's see what are the libraries needed in this project. So we can see the immutals which is used to make a basic image processing function. So this is a NumPy library and CV2 for reading files to be used on the system. So ang una-una ko pong ginawa dito, sir, is pumunta po ako ng CMD at dinunload ko po itong mga to para po gumana yung real-time face mask detection. So i-explain ko na lang po ng madali. So first is the system have to create a frame and creating a blob, then use the blob to pass through network and get face detection. Afterwards, the system will initialize a list of face from their corresponding location in the canvas and passes through the mask network. At mag-create po tayo ng loop para masundan o ma-follow po ang detected faces. So after that, the system will load the serialized face detector model from this. At ang system po ay ma-initialize niya po yung video. So, punta po tayo sa file and then ilagay po natin dito is CMD para ma-locate niya po. And then the next step po is maglalagay po tayo dito ng py main.py. Ayan. And then enter nyo lang po. So dito sa ating ginamit is gumamit po tayo ng CMD para po makita or gumana po yung ating face mask detection. So kung mapapansin nyo po, is red po yung nakalagay po dyan. So kapag nagsuot po ako ng mask ay mag-green po siya. Ayan po. And then kapag tatanggalin ko po, automatic po na magre-red po siya. At pag kinabit ko po ulit, so hanggang dito lang po sir at maraming salamat po.